I don't know how to say the name of this place. Arapahoe?
ARAPAHOE? Who the knows? So we got another hour before this actually opens up. It opens at 9. Barely anyone here, so that's pretty sweet.
If you arrive early, you can get a sweet spot in the early bird parking lot, which is pretty much right at the base of the mountain.
Anyways, well, we're gonna have some breakfast and hit the slopes. Chelsea! Hey, where'd you go? Getting amped?
LFG, baby.
LFG. Let's go.
Arapahoe Basin was the first stop on our month-long adventure and one of the more low-key resorts we visited. We went on a Monday, so it was virtually empty, which is always a treat anywhere you ride. With a summit elevation of 3,977 meters, you are sure to get in some sick runs and amazing views. Half of the mountain is above the timberline, with open bowl skiing and snowboarding through spring and into early summer. The website states that they have been open as late as August 10th in previous years. A-Basin has 7 distinct areas. The Frontside, which has a little bit of everything. From casual runs to advanced moguls and 3 terrain parks, there's a little something for everyone. This next area, don't know how to pronounce it, but let's give it a go. Pallavicini? This serves the Frontside for advanced and expert terrain. The Beavers includes rolling intermediate groomers, open bowls, steep chutes, glades, and powder stashes. Montezuma Bowl, or Zuma, is the south-facing bowl and offers 400 acres of wide-open intermediate groomers, well-spaced trees, and rocky cliffs. The Steep Gullies, pretty much as advertised, and features expert-only terrain with steep, narrow, and rocky chutes. Be warned, when you get to the bottom, there's a 20 to 30-minute hike back to the base area. East Wall offers expert chutes that require a hike, but exploration is endless. Molly Hogan. This is A-Basin's learning area, great for those looking to start out.
So we're already needing a bit of a water break.
45 minutes in here.
The altitude is no joke. We're dying. What lodge is this?
I don't know, halfway
It's
up.
halfway up the mountain, and they have water with some water fountains, which is really nice. Keep yourself hydrated. So anyways, we're just taking a bit of a break.
According to the World Snowboard Guide, free riding at A-Basin is among the best anywhere in Colorado for intermediate and expert level riders. Although the resort itself is small in comparison to other Colorado powerhouse resorts, A-Basin fulfills every rider's fantasy of frequent powder dumps, tree runs, natural jibs, and crazy off-piste runs. While we were here, it had been a while since the last dump of fresh snow, so it was a little bit icy, but the sun was up, the views were beautiful, so we could not complain.
Chelsea? Tired as all hell?
Yeah.
At A-Basin, taking lunch, finding it hard to get back out there.
First day out.
First day out of 22 days. A lot of days out, but I think the altitude is getting a little bit to us. We're drinking lots of water, staying hydrated, and we'll get out there and do like maybe 5 more runs and call it a day. Swagging it easy.
When speaking to the locals, they said that the best time to ride is during the spring season due to more snowfall. We were definitely not acclimatized to the elevation at that point, so not sure we would even been able to handle the powder riding. We could definitely see that the wide open terrain of the bowls combined with snow would be an absolute dream. A-Basin was a great first stop on our month-long van life adventure. Make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on where we go next. Copper Mountain, Steamboat, Jackson Hole, and more. We also encounter more than a few mishaps with the van along the way that you just have to see. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.